Good morning, children. How are you all? Doing well? All has written your unit test proper? Good. So, from today again we will start our regular classes. Today we will start our lesson 7. Okay? Your lesson name Sahasi Manu. This story about a very brave girl. There is a girl, she is very brave, and later actually she is a princess also, and later she become a queen and whole world know her. So in the story we will know about that little courageous girl. Okay, so our lesson name is Sahasi Manu. Sahasi Manu. न पे छोटा ओ की मात्रा is there, so Manu. Manu is a girl name. Manu is a girl name. Okay. Sahasi means courageous. I will read and I will translate for you. Listen the story. This is a very interesting story about this girl. वाराणसी के एक ब्राह्मण परिवार में सन 1828 में एक कन्या रत्न ने जन्म लिया. वाराणसी, there is a place. Okay. In North India, in Uttar Pradesh, there is a place named Varanasi. That is known as a Kashi. Okay. Kashi, now modern name is Varanasi, Banaras. Okay. And Brahman means Brahmin, Iyer. 1826. So in 1826, in Kashi, Varanasi, in a Brahmin family, one girl has born. उसका नाम मणिकर्णिका रखा गया. They kept their name, that girl name, Manikarnika. So what is her name? Manikarnika. प्यार से सब उसे मनु बुलाते थे. With love, people call her Manu. Because see, you also are having a name. In school, teacher will call you with different name, but your parents, your grandmother, they will call you some small and cute name, na? Same thing. Her name was Manikarnika, but with love people will call her Manu. वह बहुत ही बहादुर और निडर थी. She was very courageous and fearless. Okay, she don't scare with anyone and she can do anything. She don't scare. बचपन से ही उसे तीर चलाना और घुड़सवारी करना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. From childhood only, she liked to play with sword and arrow, and she want horse riding. Okay, she loved to do horse riding. एक दिन मनु और उसके दो मित्र घोड़े पर सवार होकर नदी के किनारे सैर कर रहे थे. One day, Manu and her two friend, okay, two friend, boyfriend, okay, boy was there, the two friend was boy. घोड़े पर सवार होकर means they are riding the horse and near the नदी के किनारे, near the river, just they are walking. सूरज धीरे धीरे डूब रहा था. It is about to sunset. दोनों बालक आगे और मनु उनके पीछे थी. The two children, they are front and Manu was behind them. मनु ने अपने घोड़े को एड़ लगाई. एड़ लगाई means that in mouth one rope will be there. Na? See, you can see in the picture that girl is holding, or boy are holding some rope and it is attached with mouth. Just she has stretched tightly. Okay, एड़ लगाना means she has just लगाम कसना. She has tightly hold that rope. बड़े बालक से आगे निकलती हुई मनु ने कहा. The two friends was there, na? They are elder than her. Okay, that two boys, they are elder than Manu. Okay, so just she has tied that rope from that horse and she told, just she has run in front of them and told, है हिम्मत तो निकलो आगे. Now if you are having dare, come follow me, come in front of me. बालक ने भी अपने घोड़े को एड़ लगाई. The two children also they have tied the rope from their horse. उसका घोड़ा भी इतना तेज भागा कि बालक अपने आप को संभाल नहीं पाया. That the children also they have tied their horse rope, so their horse has run so fast, and they are not able to handle that horse. Okay. वह घोड़े की पीठ से गिर गया. And that one boy he has fall down from the horse. बालक नीचे गिरकर घायल हो गया. And that boy when he has fall down he got hurt. उसके सिर से खून बहने लगा. And in his head also he got hurt and it start to bleeding. वह चिल्लाया, मनु बचाओ. Okay, and that boy start to shout and start to call, Manu save me. बचाओ means save me. मनु बचाओ, बचाओ means मनु save me, save me. मनु ने पीछे मुड़कर देखा. मनु has turned back and saw. उसने तुरंत अपने घोड़े को मोड़ लिया. And that moment only she has turned her horse और अपने साथी के पास पहुंची. And she went near to her friend, his friend, her friend. Okay, and the two children were there ना. She just went there. उसने बालक को उठाया और उसे अपने घोड़े पर आगे लिटा लिया. She has picked up that child who got hurt, who was bleeding, and she has taken that boy on her horse. उसने बाएं हाथ से बालक को पकड़ा और दाएं हाथ से घोड़े की लगाम पकड़ी. One left hand she hold that boy and right hand she has hold the rope of horse. फिर घोड़ा दौड़ाते हुए वह घर पहुंच गई. And after that she has reached to house. बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं वह मनु कौन थी? Children, do you know who is that Manu? Who is the Manu? वह बहादुर मनु आगे चलकर झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई बनी जिसने इतिहास रचा. So do you know who is Manu? That courageous, fearless Manu, when she has grown up, she become the king of Jhansi and her name was Lakshmi Bai. And maybe you know the story of Lakshmi Bai. To get the freedom she has fight with British people. Okay, she has fight for freedom. Everyone know because she has create a history. So how was the story, children? We all in our life we should be very helping nature, fearless and courageous. Okay, children. Now we will go for word meaning. Okay, very less word meaning is there, so very fast we will finish and read proper. परिवार, परिवार, because र छोटे की मात्रा is there, so it's become परिवार. परिवार means family. परिवार means family. We all have family. FAMILY, family. निडर, निडर, न पे छोटी की मात्रा नी डर, निडर. निडर means fearless. निडर means fearless. FEARLESS, fearless. द पे छोटा ओ की मात्रा दूर, बहादुर. बहादुर means brave. बहादुर means brave. BRAVE, brave. घोड़ा, घ पे ओ की मात्रा घो, ड़ पे आ की मात्रा डा, घोड़ा. घोड़ा means horse. HORSE, horse. Horse means घोड़ा. So this is your word meaning. Only 4 word meaning is there. You can memorize easily. Next we will go for book exercise. ओपन पेज नंबर 44। सही उत्तर पर टिक का निशान लगाइए। सही उत्तर पर टिक का निशान लगाइए। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। मनु कहाँ सैर कर रही थी? मनु कहाँ सैर कर रही थी? वेयर मनु वॉज वॉकिंग विद हॉर्स। वेयर शी वॉज वॉकिंग? तालाब के किनारे, नियर द पॉन्ड। नदी के किनारे, नियर द रिवर। समुद्र के किनारे, नियर द सी। झील के किनारे, नियर द लेक। वेयर शी वॉज वॉकिंग इवनिंग टाइम? नदी के किनारे, with horse and with friends she was walking नदी के किनारे ना, river, near the river. So correct answer will be second one. Same thing you tick in your book. Now second one, है हिम्मत तो निकलो आगे। है हिम्मत तो निकलो आगे। If you are having dare, come in front of me. Who told? घोड़े ने, did horse told? बालक ने, boys told. मनु ने, that girl told. और राजा ने, that king told. Who told this sentence? है हिम्मत तो निकलो आगे। If you are having dare, come in front of me. मनु ने, मनु was the girl ना, she told to boys, come in front of me if you are having the dare. So correct answer, मनु ने. I have tick, same thing, tick in your book. बालक के सिर से खून बहने लगा था क्योंकि वह, the child was bleeding from head. Why? What happened to him? Why he was bleeding? घोड़े से गिर गया था, he has fall from the horse. हाथी से गिर गया था, did he fall from the elephant? पैदल चलते हुए गिर गया था, he was walking and fall. मनु ने गिरा दिया था, और मनु has pushed him. What happened to him? Why he was bleeding? घोड़े से गिर गया था because he has fall from horse. घ, मनु कौन थी? Who was Manu? Who was Manu? When she has grown up, what's her name become? Who was she? Mother Teresa, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, जीजाबाई, महाश्वेता देवी. When Manu has grown up, who she become? झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई. Okay, so correct answer is second one. Question number 3. सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान भरिए. Okay, here some yellow color, some word they have given. You have to read the sentence and correct word you have to fill in that. Okay, खून, तीर, बहादुर, एड़, पीठ. This is the option, and in this option you have to put correct one. मनु घोड़े की पर सवार थी. So where Manu was sitting? पीठ. पीठ means back. पीठ means back. So last one is the correct answer. मनु घोड़े की पीठ पर सवार थी. So correct you have to write here पीठ. बालिका ने घोड़े को एड़ लगाई. बालिका मीन्स मनु, गर्ल. ओके, सो घोड़े को, बालिका ने घोड़े को क्या किया? एड़ लगाई. सी हैज जस्ट टाइड द रोप. सो करेक्ट आंसर एड़, फोर्थ वन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट एड़. थर्ड वन, मनु बहुत ही लड़की थी. सो इन दिस व्हाट वी हैव टू सर्च, हाउ वाज मनु? मनु बहुत ही बहादुर लड़की थी. सो हियर बहुत ही बहादुर, वी हैव टू राइट बहादुर. बालक के सिर से बहने लगा था. सो दैट चाइल्ड फ्रॉम हेड व्हाट वाज कमिंग आउट? खून. खून मीन्स ब्लड. खून मीन्स ब्लड. इट वाज ब्लीडिंग ना व्हेन ही हैज फॉल डाउन. सो करेक्ट आंसर फर्स्ट वन, खून. मनु को चलाना अच्छा लगता था. मनु व्हाट शी लाइक टू डू? तीर चलाना एंड घुड़सवारी करना. शी वांट टू प्ले विथ bow and arrow and horse riding. So here option is तीर, second one. So we have to write here तीर. मनु को तीर चलाना अच्छा लगता था. So same thing you write in your book also. Okay children, now we will go for page number 46. Here some picture is there and some word is there. We have to match with that. First ka is there and next to ka one word is there, घुड़सवार. घुड़सवार. घुड़सवार means horse rider. घुड़सवार means horse rider who is riding the horse. So in picture number 3, one person is sitting on horse. We have to match with this. घुड़सवार with ga you have to match. Picture घुड़सवार, one person is riding the horse. So first one घुड़सवार. Okay. Second one written घायल. घायल means who got hurt. Maybe someone has fall and they got hurt. So who will be घायल? Who is hurt. Okay. So here see, one picture is there. You can see one boy is there and he has hurt. Okay. One boy is there. He has hurt. In hand something is. So घायल you have to put this one. Okay. Gha picture is Suraj. In Gha one sun is there and pink color here it's written Suraj. So you have to match with that. Okay. Same you have to match. Now Kha one girl is there. Can you see in picture one girl? She will be Balika. Who is she? Balika. So here it's written, see here, blue color it's written there na, Balika. So you have to match with that. One green color you can see here it's written Ghoda. Ghoda means horse. Ghoda means horse. Okay. So here one picture is that, see, Ka, first picture, horse. So we have to match like that. So same thing, घुड़सवार means horse rider. You have to match with that. Balika means girl. You have to match with girl. Ghoda means horse. You have to match Ghoda with that. One घायल means one boy is there who is hurt. घायल and sun means Suraj, you all know. So in picture you have to match like that. See children, in your picture, page number 47 there is a activity for you. So you have to do this activity. एक घोड़े का चित्र बनाकर उसमें रंग भरिए. You have to make one horse. Okay. You draw a horse, color it and you have to write that horse body part. You can write in English also. Okay. You can write in English also. No problem. So this is your activity you have to do. Okay. Okay children. Now in your page number 43, one word question answer is there. So there are 3 question answer, one word we will read. Okay. मनु सबसे आगे कैसे निकल गई? First question, मनु सबसे आगे कैसे निकल गई? Manu was back and their friends was in front. So how she become front? How suddenly she become front? Answer will be मनु ने घोड़े को एड़ लगाई और आगे निकल गई. So how she become front? She has tied the rope of horse and she has run fast. Answer is एड़, घोड़े को एड़ लगाई. तो मनु ने घोड़े को एड़ लगाई और आगे निकल गई. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मनु ने उस बालक को घोड़े पर क्यों लिटाया? Why Manu has taken that boy on the horse? What happened to that boy? Why she has carried that boy on her horse? वह बालक घोड़े से गिरकर घायल हो गया था. That boy has fall down from the horse and he got hurted. So she has picked up that boy. Okay, so she has picked up the boy on her horse. So answer घोड़े से गिरकर घायल हो गया था. वह बालक घोड़े से गिरकर घायल हो गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, क्या आपने भी किसी की मदद की है और कैसे? Did you help anyone? and how did you do? So they are asking the question. Did you help anyone? How you have helped? Reply. So just we are helping in our life. Lot of people we are helping. So just one answer I have written. हाँ, yes. एक भूखे आदमी को अपना खाना खिलाकर उसकी मदद की. Yes, I help one person. One hungry person was there. I gave my lunch to him to eat and I help like that. Okay. So this is your 3 question answer, 1 word question answer. Okay. Long answer, it is in your book. So what will be your assignment? Read and write lesson 7 word meaning and question answer. Complete book exercise page number 44, 45, 46 and 47. Okay children, so there are 2 type of question answer. One, this is 1 word question answer, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and long question answer, it is in your book page number 44. That question you have to write in your book notebook, and you have to complete book exercise 44, 45, 46 and 47 in your book. Okay children, do the reading practice in house for the story, word meaning, question answer and exercise. Okay children, thank you, have a good day.